Hi there. So I wanted to create a little video to kind of help whoever the doc person is navigate and be able to share documents seamlessly when we're having our meeting. So one thing that happens to me a lot when I try to share documents in tabs is I end up having too many things open. So the first thing I need to do is get rid of the excess junk. This is the app that I'm using, but I'm going to go over here. So I have two things happening right now. One is I will have my tabs up that will have the Google Documents. Behind it, I will have the Zoom meeting. Okay, so the Zoom meeting is happening right now. So first off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my folder and I'm just going to open it up to make sure I have everything I need. So I'll go into the readings, which is right there under shared with me, living the solution documents, readings. And then I'll try to think about the order I'm going to have to lay things out, right? And luckily, we have everything labeled nicely. And I think the PDFs share a little smoother. So what we will do, you'll bring the PDF and you'll click on that. And therefore, the PDF will be ready and it'll be on your tab. And so the Zoom meeting will be going on here in the background. Everybody will be there. The secretary will be talking. Meanwhile, you will have this here ready and waiting. So what happens then is when it comes time for you, the document person, to share, you just click on share screen. Then you get some options up here. You can share the desktop, which is where everything's happening. You don't want that. You don't want the whiteboard. You don't need the iPhone. What you want is this one that has the readings on it. So we'll go and we'll click onto that. Then when we share that, what we notice is that we're screen sharing and the whole preamble is sitting there. Now, if you want to make this a little better, take on a little more space, you can use, so you might have a PC, might look different. Your options might be on your upper right corner, but me with my Mac, they'll be on the upper left-hand corner. And I'll use the green dot. That'll make it full screen. So now that's full screen, I can see what's happening on my Zoom camera in the upper right over here, and then the preamble's there. Then, as soon as the preamble's done, we go back to the close arrow, and then we look for reader number 2. And what I'm not sure of is we might have to do, I don't think you have to unshare in between these. I think you can just go back and forth. And what you can also do, actually, you could have multiple tabs up and you could have all the docs ready for you and just go from one tab to the next while you're screen sharing. Or you can go in and out of the individual documents using this. So, all right, so I'm going to stop sharing, meaning my Zoom, I'm not sharing on my Zoom anymore. And now I'm going to stop recording. So I hope that was helpful. Need anything else, I'm happy to lend assistance.